What's the meaning of aneroid? Aneroid. 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 Aneroid.
The word aneroid refers to a type of barometer that uses a small container partially evacuated of air to measure atmospheric pressure. When the pressure changes, the container compresses or expands, causing a needle to move on a calibrated scale. Unlike traditional barometers that use liquid mercury to measure pressure, aneroid barometers are more compact and portable, making them ideal for use in aviation and other mobile applications. The word aneroid comes from the Greek words and meaning without and aeroids meaning similar to air, indicating the absence of liquid in the measuring mechanism.